Hey guys, welcome back to Lineup. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Stalker 2 Heart of Chernobyl black screen. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So if you're having problems with your Stalker 2 game or Heart of Chernobyl here and you're getting that black screen, there's a few things that you do to probably solve this issue. So one of the first things that you do here is to run the game in as administrator. So in this case, you want to look for the run or app here, or the Heart of Chernobyl or Stalker 2 Heart of Chernobyl here. Right click on it and you want to go and just click on the run as administrator. Sometimes running it as administrator can solve a lot of issues, but if that doesn't work, the next thing you want to do is you want to make sure that some of the components here is actually up to date. So first is you want to make sure that Windows is up to date. So at the bottom left of your screen, go ahead and click on the types here to search and just type in the following, which is going to be update, and click on check for updates. Now from here, click on the option that says check for updates and wait for it to check for updates. And if you do see some, go ahead and install that, restart your PC, and see if that solves the issue. Now, another thing that you might want to do here is you want to update your GPU. So in this case, depending on what you're using, like for example, if you're using NVIDIA, you want to download the NVIDIA app here. So typically you just need to open it up, and from here, you need to look for the option to basically, in this case, run or update your GPU. So if you haven't installed it, go ahead and make sure to run it first, but in this case, just update it. So just to give you an idea here, this is what the app actually looks like. You want to go to drivers, and if you do see the option here that says install update or update, go ahead and just click on it to make sure to have the latest one. So as you can see, some games require, or some GPUs require some update in order for them to work properly on your GPU. So another thing that you might want to do here is you want to make sure to disable full screen optimization on your game. So look for your Stalker 2 Heart of Chernobyl here, right click on it, go to properties, and you want to go to compatibility, and you want to make sure to disable full screen optimizations. And once you've disabled that, click on apply and OK, and from then on, restart your PC and see if that solves the issue. Now, if none of those actually work, the next thing that you want to do here is you might want to check for compatibility on your PC. So what it means is you need to check the requirements or minimum system requirements here to run the game. Now, just to give you an idea here, this is directly from Steam. So usually, as you can see right now, the system requirements here for the Stalker 2 Heart of Chernobyl is you need at least like Windows 10 64-bit or Windows 11 64-bit. You need to have like Intel Core i7 7700K here, or AMD Ryzen 5, and at least 16GB of RAM. And also you need to have the following graphics here, and storage, and additional notes that you might want to know here. But if you don't meet the following requirements here, that might be the cause of this issue, so you might want to update your PC first before playing the game. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to App. Thank you for watching.